Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be going over how to clip things in OBS Studio in 2025. If this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. So, to begin, what you want to do is you want to head over in OBS Studio and click the settings button. Now, once the settings pop up, you want to go to Output, and then there will be a tab at the top that says Output Mode. Make sure this section is set to Advanced, so you'll have access to the Replay Buffer tab, which is the main feature you want. You want to make sure this is checked on, and you can select how long the maximum replay time will be, and this is really up to you. After you've turned this on, make sure you set it to OK, and then a Start Replay Buffer button should appear in the Controls tab on the right. What you want to do now is head back into your settings so that you can access your hotkeys tab. But before we do that, we want to head down to Advanced, and we want to make sure that you have your Never Disable Hotkeys as selected in the Hotkey Focus Behavior. After you did that, make sure that you have a hotkey for saving your replay buffer. So what you want to do is in the filter section, you want to type save so that you can see the save replay hotkey. You can set this to whatever you like so that you can have your replay be saved after going to record and starting the replay buffer. Because once you click start replay buffer, it will only replay something after you've clicked the hotkey of your choosing. Once you've created a hotkey, if you want to find your replay that you've saved during your recording, you want to head over to File, and then you want to go to Show Recording so that you can find your recording in that section. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these, and goodbye.